This is a punctuation mark to indicate strong feelings or to show emphasis. We name it the exclamation mark. Shh. It means quiet. Oh, it means surprise. Ah, it shows a sympathy, or in some cases it may show laughter. Wow, delight or admiration. Yuck, showing disgust. Haha, showing laughter. In this video, we'll learn the conversion of exclamatory sentences from direct speech to indirect or a reported speech. Let's have a few examples. Hurrah, we won the match. Alas, I failed the test. Wow, what a nice shirt it is. In this video, we'll learn indirect speech of exclamatory situations like these. Sentences which involve exclamation. These are the sentences which involve exclamation to express a state of joy, sorrow, or wonder. To change such expressions, the phrases like exclaimed with joy, or to exclaimed with wonder or sorrow, they are used. So these phrases exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with sorrow, or exclaimed with wonder are added in the reporting verb depending upon the nature and requirement of the feelings. We may use exclaimed joyfully, or exclaimed wonderfully, or exclaimed sorrowfully. He said, hurrah, I won a prize. So over here, this is the subject and this is the verb in a reporting speech, and this is the exclamatory word for joy, for some celebration. And then I won a prize. This is also a verb that is in past. So once there are double past, we will convert this into past perfect. But before that, this word is to be shifted to the verb said by using exclaimed. He exclaimed with joy. And then the conjunction that. So this is first person as per SON pattern 1, 2, 3. 1 is first person is to be changed with the subject of the reporting speech. So it will be changed with he. So he exclaimed with joy that he, and then because of this pastness in the reporting, this past will be converted into past perfect. So it will be had won a prize, and then a full stop or a period. She said, alas, I failed the exams. So again, this is the subject, this is the verb in past tense, and this tense is also past in the reported speech, and this is a sign of exclamation, this one, with this exclamatory word or interjection. Alas means it shows some sorrow. So we'll write it like this. She exclaimed sorrowfully or with sorrow. Then the conjunction that, and this is to be replaced with the subject, that she, and then past perfect of this one is had failed the exams. John said, wow, what a nice shirt it is. So again, this is the subject and this is a verb in past tense, and this is the exclamation or interjection. So we'll write it like this: John exclaimed with wonder then we'll write this conjunction that, then this will be put first because it is going to be the subject, that it, and due to this pastness in the reporting, this present is to be shifted into past, that it was a nice shirt or very nice shirt. He said, oh, I missed the train. This is the subject and this is the verb in past. This verb is also in past, so this will be shifted into past perfect. So oh shows some sort of surprise or some sort of there is some loss of something. It is showing sadness or sorrow. So he exclaimed with surprise, or it may be sorrow as well, that I is to be changed with the subject of the reporting speech, that he, and then this is past in the reporting and the tense of the reported is also past, so it will be had missed, past perfect, the train. So it will be now, he exclaimed with surprise or sorrow, we may write sorrow as well, that he had missed the train. She said, hurrah, I am selected for the job. Over here this is the subject and this is past tense, or verb in the past tense. Hurrah shows some celebration or joy, and then this is in present, so due to this pastness in the reporting, this will be shifted into past as well. So she exclaimed joyfully. We are no more to use this. Why? Because this is shifted in this sense is no more there now, so no need to repeat it. She exclaimed joyfully that, this is the first person change with subject of the reporting, that she, and then am is to be shifted into past because this is the verb in present. Due to this pastness, it will be shifted into past. Selected for the job. She exclaimed joyfully that she was selected for the job. They said, wow, what a pleasant weather it is. This is the subject and this is the verb in past tense, so this is in present, and this wow shows some surprise. So they exclaimed with wonder, with surprise, that, we'll write the subject first, it, and then said is in past, is to be shifted into past as well, that will be was a pleasant weather or very pleasant weather. And then a period. She said, bravo, you have done well. So over here this is the subject and this is the verb in past tense. Have shows present tense, the verb have. Remember one thing, once we have to mention or indicate the tense of the report the situation where there is a helping verb along with the main verb, in this case done is the main verb and this is the helping verb, then we have to shift or change the tense of the helping verb only. We are not to change the tense of the main verb. So we'll write it, bravo shows some appreciation, so she appreciated or exclaimed with appreciation, then that, you is the second person, so it is to be changed with the object, that is to be I. So she appreciated that I, and this past tense of have is had, and then done, and then well. She appreciated that I had done well, or she exclaimed with appreciation. That and rest of the things is going to be same. Had done well.